Celine Vanoy versus Melanie Riva.
Get one more match for sure. Are you getting the list of heavyweight?
Yeah, I got the list for you.
Celine versus Melanie.
You bust her. I got a lot of wiggles.
That was close.
I'm glad I'm not a referee. Here we go. Winner, Celine. And 2 hands go up.
Oh, hang on.
Referees are going to talk with each other.
Melanie, stay. Melanie, stay back over here. Wrestlers, come back in the ring.
Wrestlers coming back in the ring.
Winner, Melanie.
Winner, Melanie.